Who are you on the phone with? So we're gonna have to seize your phone. So go ahead and hang up.
Seize my phone for what?
Go ahead and hang up.
Why?
Go ahead and hang up.
They want to seize my phone, but I'm not under arrest for it.
You're not under arrest, but your phone's gonna be seized.
No.
You're gonna hang up the phone.
I'm seize my phone, but I'm not in custody.
So listen.
There's three of them all around me.
So listen.
FaceTime you for a second.
You listen for a second. So the fire's gonna be under investigation.
That's fine.
Okay, and we're gonna seize your phone.
Why?
Because we are.
Welcome back to We the People University. My name is Abaya Israel, former police officer, former sheriff's deputy. This video is a video that was covered by Big Nick, South Florida Accountability. Make sure if you haven't done so already, go over to his channel and subscribe to show him support. Today we will examine an incident in which the Normal Police Department allegedly violated the constitutional rights of a young citizen. This video serves as a cautionary example of why it is advisable to exercise caution when interacting with law enforcement officers. Ms. Taylor, an 18-year-old individual, agreed to accompany the police to the station for an interview after they claimed they wished to discuss a recent fire incident with her. Taylor believed that the police only wished to ask her questions regarding her knowledge of the event. However, after changing her mind about the interview, the police attempted to confiscate her phone without first obtaining a warrant. This action appeared to be taken in retaliation after Ms. Taylor refused to cooperate with police. Furthermore, upon her continued refusal to comply, the police proceeded to use force by throwing her to the ground and unlawfully confiscating her phone. We will delve further into details on this matter later in the video.
All right, who are you on the phone with? So we're gonna have to seize your phone. So go ahead and hang up.
Seize my phone for what?
Go ahead and hang up.
Why?
Go ahead and hang up.
They want to seize my phone, but I'm not under arrest for it.
You're not under arrest, but your phone's gonna be seized.
No.
You're gonna hang up the phone.
I'm seize my phone, but I'm not in custody.
So listen.
There's three of them all around me.
So listen.
FaceTime you for a second.
You listen for a second. So the fire's gonna be under investigation.
That's fine.
Okay, and we're gonna seize your phone.
Why?
Because the fire's under investigation.
I need to know why my
So you can hand me the phone, or I can take the phone.
But I need to know why my phone's being. They're not telling me a reason why my phone's being.
I just did.
But you said it's under investigation, which I.
So listen to me. The fire.
That's her phone.
So the fire's going to be under investigation, and your phone's going to be seized.
Is Shay?
Yes, everybody's phone's being seized.
Oh no, because you never told me that my phone would be seized when I got here. She didn't tell me that.
Okay, and when I got here, the detective wasn't here. We were waiting for the detective, so the detective's going to seize your phone.
No one told me any of this.
Okay.
You told me that you were about to take me home.
Okay, so I'm not going to sit here and argue with you. So you can hang up. You can hang up the phone, and I can take you home. Yep.
So. No, they're not taking my phone and letting me leave. I don't know what I'm finna. It's 3 a.m. I can't go without my phone.
Well, how is she gonna go?
Right, where am I gonna go without my phone? If I do the interview?
That's up to you.
No, you're not doing the interview.
Well, if I do the interview,
you can go do the interview, but your phone's gonna currently be seized.
Can I talk to him first? Can he come down here?
Nope, we're not gonna do that. So you can hang up the phone, or I'm gonna take the phone. That's how this is gonna work.
Oh, absolutely not.
So
she said hang up the phone and they're going to take the phone because at this point I'm being threatened.
It's not a threat. I've asked you several times and you're just going to go back and forth with me.
A reason as to why my phone is being taken.
So the fire is going to be under investigation by the fire department. So stop. Don't interrupt me. So don't interrupt me. The fire is going to be under investigation.
Don't ever tell me not to fucking interrupt you and I'll be this calm.
So the phone's going to be seized. So in a second, I'm going to take it.
I'm asking you. I'm asking you a reason. I'm not being rebuttal. I'm asking you a reason.
So if you would like to talk to the detective, you can.
Why is my phone being seized?
If you would like to talk to the detective that is seizing it, you can. Do you wish to talk to him?
Yeah, but...
Do you want to get an interview?
No, I wanted to ask him why my phone's being seized. Because she said she could take me home, but without my phone. That doesn't make sense. It sounds like...
So are you going to talk to the detective?
No, I need everyone to come and tell me why my phone's being seized because no one told me this until right now.
Okay.
Right this second.
So
because it seems like
that's the question. No, it
seems like he's being petty because he woke up and I won't do the interview.
So the question is, are you going to talk to the detective?
As a matter of fact, are you recording this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Are you going to talk to the detective and provide an interview? Yes or no?
Is that with or without the phone?
Without the phone. The phone's being seized. Are you talking to the detective or no?
Is the phone being
I don't know. That's not my question.
I need an answer to that before I get
So the question is, are you going to provide an interview?
No.
No? Okay. Go ahead and hand me the phone.
I have to know if my phone is being seized.
Go ahead and hand me the phone.
In Raleigh v. California, the Supreme Court ruled that police officers are required to obtain a warrant before searching the digital contents of an arrestee's cell phone. The case arose after law enforcement officers arrested David Leon Riley and seized his smartphone during a traffic stop. After conducting a warrantless search of the device, they discovered information that linked Riley to a shooting. Riley was subsequently convicted, but appealed the decision on the basis that the warrantless search of his phone violated his Fourth Amendment rights. The Supreme Court ultimately agreed with Riley's argument, finding that the cell phones are fundamentally different from other items that the arrestee might be carrying, such as wallets and purses. The court stated that cell phones contain a vast amount of sensitive personal information that can reveal a wealth of details about an individual's private life. Because of this, the court determined that the warrantless search of the cell phone is not permissible under the Fourth Amendment's protection against unreasonable searches and seizures. Ms. Taylor was not initially under arrest, and two, they had no legal authority to take her phone without a search warrant. And with that being said, this seizure of this phone was done so mainly out of retaliation because Ms. Taylor refused to cooperate with police. Again, we can clearly see that this was retaliation because Ms. Taylor did not wish to cooperate with police. After about the third request of her giving an interview, once she said no, the cops moved in. 2 hours after the arrest of Ms. Taylor, she was released. Her phone was returned and a federal lawsuit was filed. This is a great example why you never trust police, because police will lie to you, and always make sure you protect your rights. With that being said, We the People University, signing off. Thank you for joining We the People University. If you have a video you would like us to share, please click the link in the video description. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe so that you may be notified when we publish future videos. Also, don't forget to download Cancel Tyranny version 2 and learn your basic rights when there is no time to Google. Available now on Apple and Android. And if you ever wondered about what really happens behind the scenes within the police department, check out my other channel titled Cop Tales 236 to hear all of my stories about my time and experience while working as a cop. We look forward to seeing you on the next video. Thank you for your support.